Okay, Assalamualaikum semua. Salam sejahtera. So, kita akan bermula dengan how to create our sheets. Okay, so this tutorial is considered done. Alright, so we have all the things that we have drawn here, our floor plans, our ceiling plans, our 3D views, elevation, section, renderings, and some of our schedules. Alright, so when we're done, then we have to create the sheets, okay, to represent your drawings in a proper way. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do adalah we have to create our sheets. Okay, you can find it from here, from your ribbons under the view, and there's this sign here. Okay, so you click on the sheet. Okay, so when you click on the sheet, most probably, I'm not sure about yours, tapi mine I already have A1 metric dengan A2 metric. Okay, so I think we're just gonna use A2. Okay, but let's say if you don't have the A2 metric, okay, then you have to load it from your family. Okay, so I'm gonna hit load. Then it's gonna bring to my family library. Okay, so I'm gonna find title blocks. Okay, double click on title blocks. Then here you have all the different options of the paper size. Okay, the size of the paper. Okay, so let's say if I want to use the A3 metric. Okay, so I'm just gonna click it here. See the difference. Okay, so I'm just gonna click here. Then I'm gonna open. Okay, then it's gonna be loaded here. But at this for this tutorial, I'm just going to use the A2 metric. Okay, maybe you can use A3. Okay, A3, then later on you'll get more sheets. Okay, so I'm just going to use A2 because it is just for the example purposes. Okay, nak tunjuk contoh saja. Okay, I'm going to click on the A2 metric. Okay, then I'm going to click on OK. So automatically, there's going to be your sheet here, right? So this sheet is the A2 size. Okay, then this one, your title blocks ni semua you can enter your particulars lah. Okay, so let's say, make it bigger a little bit. So let's say I just want to, okay, I dah edit ni actually sebenarnya. Okay, so I'm just gonna put here maybe my name. Okay, you just double click on where you want to edit and then you ni lah. Okay, so you can edit everything here, you can edit. Alright, the author is by you, checked by me. Okay, so this sheet is stated A2. Why? Okay, the sheet is gonna be here dekat your project browser sebab I dah edit tadi ni. Okay, so now it's A2, so I'm gonna rename it to A01. So this is the original one, the numbering. Okay, automatically will change here and also here. Okay, so let's say you want to change your logo ni lah. Okay, this one already changed lah hari tu. Okay, so if you want to change, because yours originally it will be the Autodesk logo. Okay, so what you have to do is just double click on it. Then it's going to open another window here. Then bila you dah nampak this window, okay, this is a new window. So you just click here and then you can just delete. Okay, you dah delete tu and then you nak insert another logo. So just go here, insert. Okay, then you go to your image. Okay, then you carilah the image that you want to use. Okay, so for mine, I'm not sure if I have the UiTM logo lagi. Okay, I still have it. So I'm just going to click on the logo and I'm going to click on open. Then I can just like place it where I want it to be. Here. Okay, so you can make it bigger or make it smaller. So I think this is perfect already. Okay, so that is how if you want to change your logo. Okay, you put your own company or whatsoever. Okay, so after this, what you have to do adalah you have to load into project. Okay, whether you want to load into project ataupun load into project and close. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to load into project and close. Meaning I want to close this thing. I'm not going to edit anymore. Okay, so I'm just going to click here. So I want to change the changes. I'm going to click yes. Yes. Okay. Okay, just overwrite the version. Okay, so now I have my logo here. Alright, so that is how you edit your particulars at the title block. Okay, so now we want to insert our drawings. Okay, so let's say kita, first of all, I want to insert, this is just an example. Okay, later on you can do your own, you can customize yours. Okay, I'm just showing you the contoh. Okay, so let's say I want to enter my lower level. Okay, so my lower level, I tarik je. Okay, I'm gonna drag it in like this. Okay, so when I drag it in, dia besar tau. Okay, I'm using scale 1 to 100. Say, so let's say I'm gonna click. I'm just gonna click. Okay. Jadi it's taking up a little bit of space. Kan? Okay, so what I can do adalah I can go back to my lower level. Okay, double click on it. Alright. And this one. Oh, okay, I forgot to show you. Okay, so let's say if it's too big and I want to make it smaller, you can go here and then click on show crop region. So, because when you click there and then click on the box, so this is the region yang you want. So I'm just gonna crop it and make it a little bit smaller. Okay, here and here. Alright, then I'm gonna hide, because if saya tak hide, this square akan berada dekat my sheet tadi. Okay, let me just show you. Okay, so the sheet is here. Okay, then you can see, kan, it's still here. So I'm gonna go back to my lower level. I'm gonna hide. Okay, so when I hide it, when I go to my sheets, tengok dah tak ada. Okay, so benda ni, okay, it's too far away kan, so I'm just gonna like put it here. Okay, so I'm just gonna like gali a little bit there maybe, so I can fit another drawing here probably. Okay, so now you can see that this thing, it's like panjang kan. Okay, for this, when you click on it, you can ubah, you can gali-gali, you can move it around, tetapi you cannot shorten it. Okay, so macam mana you nak shorten it is you click on the box. Okay, this is automatically the box of the crop region just now. When you click on the box, then you can see the blue the small blue circle, so you can tarik. Okay, then you can modify it back. Okay, so just remember, if you want to pendekkan or you want to panjangkan, you have to find the box, the region box, and click on it. Automatically akan keluar the small circle, then you can drag. Alright, then let's say okay, so I have my lower level, then I want to enter my entry level. I'm just gonna drag it again. Okay, so see, the region is like so big, kan? So if I just click here, contohnya, okay, it's too big, the area, kan akan nampak all the pokok-pokok and everything. Jadi kita gonna do the same step. Okay, so let's say you malas nak pergi sini, then what you can do adalah you just double click here. Okay, because when you double click here, it is like we are working on our plane here. Okay, so akan ambil the crop region semula. Okay, dia akan show the region. Then I'm gonna crop balik. Make it like even smaller. Okay. And then this one. Okay, right click. Okay. Then I'm gonna hide. So now we have our drawing. Okay, so I'm gonna place it somewhere here. Okay, ni buat je dulu nanti buat lawa-lawa dulu lurus. Alright, so then you can see it's here, this thing. So akan naikkan. Okay, sini. Tapi then again, it is so long and you want to shorten it. Just click on your region box. Okay, and then you can shorten it. Drag it. Okay. And you can just move it around. There.
This house.
Okay. So then,
I'm making a video.
yeah. So then you have your lower level and you have your entry level. Okay, so that is how, if you want to just drag it. Okay, so let's say you need a new sheet. Okay, so you go here. Okay, go to your sheets, ataupun you can just go to your view and then click on this one. And another way is you can just go here to your sheets. Okay, right click, then you can click on new sheets. Right, so I'm just going to use the same one, A2 metric. Okay, and automatically you'll have the second sheet, A102. Okay, so now I want to insert my elevations. Okay, so I'm just gonna like drag this. Okay, put one here, and then I'm gonna put another one here. Okay, I'm gonna drag one here. Okay, I'm just gonna place it here dulu. Alright. Okay. Oh, ni silap tadi ni. Actually, I just have to rename the name. It should be here. Okay. Then the name should be here. So this one, I'm gonna rename it to my floor plans. There. Then this one, I'm gonna rename it. Okay, you can change it here ataupun you can just change it here lah. So you just rename. I'm gonna rename it into elevations. Okay. So this, I have my elevations. Okay, and this one I have my name. Right. So if it's too long, then find your region. I think this one is perfect already lah sebab dia akan is much nicer like that, right? So kita nak galih dia naik atas. So click on it and just move it up, upwards, and same goes to this one. Okay. Alright. Then we're gonna create our next sheet. Then we have the east, the north. Okay, metric. Then we have another sheet. Okay. I'm gonna rename it to still elevations. Okay, they did both two elevations. Right, so I'm just gonna drag it also. Place it here. I'm gonna drag another one. Okay, there. Okay, dia senang je, dia macam tu je. Okay, and then maybe if you go to your fourth sheet, it's for your sections. Okay, dan seterusnya. Right, and go to your sections. Okay, so you're gonna go here. I drag it again. Okay, I think I'm gonna change this one to the lines. I'm gonna move it here. And second section. I think 2 sections is enough lah. Kalau you rajin you buat lah lebih. Okay. I'm gonna double click because I want to work on this plane. So I wanna just use hidden line. Right. Okay, so as you can see here, I didn't hide my region tadi kan. So I'm just gonna double click. Then I'm gonna hide. Okay, there. Sections, and then maybe the fifth one adalah for your renderings, and then for your the other sheets are for your room schedules, your window schedules, your door schedules. Okay, so basically that is just how you can create your sheets. All right, so you can see your floor plans, the elevations, the section. Okay, so kalau you tengok dekat your floor plan, okay, you zoom out. So this section, okay, so this section is gonna say it is located at A104. Okay, kan, this section. So bila you tengok dekat sini, so that is your section is. Alright, A104. It cuts here. Okay, so dia bukan kosong semata macam tu. Okay, it has the information. Alright. Okay. So I think this will be the last tutorial for Revit. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed the class. Okay, oh, and one more thing. I'll compile it in PDF. Okay, so you guys carilah macam mana nak compile. Alright, compile it in a PDF, and then you can masukkan dalam UFuture. Okay, I've opened the UFuture assessment so, and then you just download it there. Upload it there. Okay. Okay. Thank you.